Welcome to the video on the top 5 low-code, no-code platforms. These platforms are enabling rapid application development and helping in accelerating digital transformation for businesses of all sizes. Let's understand what low-code and no-code really mean. Low-code refers to platforms that require minimal hand coding, utilizing visual development tools to create applications. On the other hand, no-code platforms allow you to build applications through drag-and-drop interfaces without needing to write any code. Our first platform is the Microsoft Power Platform. Its core components are Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. The key strengths of this platform include enterprise integration capabilities, seamless connectivity with the Office 365 ecosystem, and access to artificial intelligence-powered features. Next up is the Salesforce Lightning Platform. Its core features include the App Builder, Flow Builder, and Process Builder. The key advantages of this platform are its deep customer relationship management integration, a scalable architecture suitable for growing businesses, and the AppExchange marketplace for pre-built components and applications. Platform number 3 is OutSystems. It provides features like visual development, enabling the creation of full-stack applications with a mobile-first approach. The key benefits of using OutSystems include enterprise-grade security, DevOps integration for streamlined development, and multi-cloud deployment options. Our fourth platform is Mendix. Its core capabilities include model-driven development, the ability to create multi-experience applications, and smart app services. Standout features of Mendix are its AI-assisted development tools, a collaborative platform for teamwork, and a cloud-native architecture ensuring scalability and reliability. Finally, we have Appian. Platform strengths include process automation, case management, and a business rules engine. Appian offers unique value through its low-code workflow capabilities, data fabric technology for seamless integration, and process mining for continuous improvement. In conclusion, it's important to choose platforms based on specific business needs and technical requirements. Transform your development process with the right low-code, no-code solution, and unlock new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.